So how I have made $5,434 in 10 days with Clickbank affiliate marketing using the well-known traffic source Google pay-per-click ads, right? So Google search ads. Now let me go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, this is the income and payment balance. So when you're using Clickbank, you're getting paid weekly or bi-weekly, right? So you can get paid every second week, or you can get paid every single week. So entirely up to your settings. Now let me go straight into the details. But before I do that, after watching this video, you can find me on my Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or email, right? So over here you can see, right? You can find me over here for more contact. Now let's go straight into it, so you can see exactly, step by step, actually, how it's done properly if you want to get results with Clickbank affiliate marketing, right? So the first thing that you have to understand is, right, you have to have a hot, proven offer in what? In evergreen niche. So what the evergreen niche? Dating, financial niche, wealth niche, personal development, weight loss, fitness, keto diet, right? So all of these subcategories in those proven niches like Nutra offers, CPI affiliate marketing, right, that you can promote and make great commissions with. Now, once you have your offer, what is the next thing? The next thing is you need to understand your market, right? So I would use empathy map. So empathy map helps you to basically understand who is your audience, what kind of language you're using. Now why this is very important, and most gurus, most people in these courses that you're buying are not sharing this with you. And there is a simple secret there. You know, once you understand your audience and on a deeper human level, no AI generated voice or voiceovers with YouTube ads will help you do this for you. You have to have someone that will help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, actually understand who is your audience, what kind of ads you should put in front of your audience, right? You need eyeballs, you need traffic, right? And then you can also build your landing page, right, or pre-sale page in a correct manner, correct way. And you need to have 5 points to pre-sell, right? So you need 5 points, and most people are not talking about those 5 points, right? One of them is problem and pain, one of them, right? So there are 4 more left, and you need to have them stacked in the right correct manner, so that the person who lands on your ad, for example, they're looking for solutions for back pain, they want to lose weight, right? Because doctor told them they had to lose weight. So they go and search into the Google search bar. For example, let's see, they're looking for how to get rid of my back pain, right? So what happens is once they type this into the Google search bar, they're going to be stacked with different websites, landing pages, and ads. And if you did your job correctly as an affiliate marketer and understanding your audience on a deeper level, you will be able to put the right headline in front of their eyes, right? The right image if you're running Facebook ads or any kind of YouTube ads, right? And the right content, right, on your content rich landing page. Remember this, most of people who are buying Clickbank courses do not understand that you cannot just slap some content on the page and expect sales to come in. It's impossible to do that. That's why you're wasting your money on ads and your time on course, right? Because you don't understand what it actually takes to get results. So we said we need hot proven offer, right? And that offer needs to be paying at least minimum $100 per sale. Why? Because in that way you can also capitalize on the front end on all the ads that you're spending money on, right? So basically, if let's say the supplement costs $100, right? You have maybe $69, $37 ebooks, but there are also, let's say, 50% upsell take rate, right? What is the meaning of that? It means that from the same person, from the same customer, you can basically earn residual commissions over and over again every single month from their purchasing the same products for consumer-based products, right? Or buying, I don't know, extra coachings, high-ticket coaching programs and stuff like that. So you can make more money from all the same customers, right? So this is the power of having the hot proven offer and actually someone that will help you through step by step along the way, right? So that you can get those results in the end as the end result, of course, right? So as you're watching this video, you may be wondering, okay, how can I do this? How can I, as a beginner, go and actually find someone who will help me along the way, right? Because there is the big difference from buying a course and having someone to help you step by step along the way, hand holding you, showing you the ropes, right? So you can avoid all these mind lines, right? Landmines basically in front of you, and avoid getting exploded, right? Losing your time and money. So if you want to make profits with Clickbank affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads or YouTube ads, right? You have to understand first of all this, like I shared with you right now, right? All these things you need to understand, and then it's very easy to go and make, let's say as a beginner, $150 a day, right? Do the math. How much is that per month? Or you can make $300 a day. That is basically $9,000 per month, right? If you're making every single day only $300 per day, at the end of the month you are $9,000 in profit, right? And sooner enough you can scale to $600 per day, and that's over $15,000 per month. Now you have many different offers, but you need to have advantage. This is the secret. You need to have an edge, right? You cannot compete with the rest of the people on Clickbank, right? You need to understand. You need to have someone to guide you through along the way, show the ropes, and ask yourself, is it worth it? Is it worth it to be able to quit 9 to 5 or actually supplement your daily job, right? Daily grind income, working 9 to 5 and making $4,000 or $10,000 or $15,000 per month in profit as an affiliate working from home online, promoting other people's products without showing your face at all, right? So having a mini website, mini blog, sending traffic to that, collecting emails on the back end, so you can make long-term commissions and having sustainable income over time, right? So that's all there is to having the results, as you can see over here, right? Would it be worth to pay $2,000 to $5,000 as an investment to get that knowledge, to get that support, to basically really scale to $10,000 or $20,000 per month in income? I guess it would be really worth it if you compare it to traditional business, where you have brick and mortgage business, where you have to invest into the property, you have to pay thousands of dollars upfront, you have to buy tools, right? You have to buy tools, and then you have to get employees, and then you have to get all the rest of the stuff, the rest of the bills that are coming with having traditional business, right? It takes $20,000 to $50,000, right? Or even more, up to $100,000 upfront in investment to build a restaurant, to build a hotel or something like that, right? You can see you're not getting the money back in the first month or first year, right? You're not even barely breaking even. But here you have opportunity with affiliate marketing to start basically with really low investment compared to with few $1,000s, a few $1,000s to be able to make thousands of dollars per day, to make thousands of dollars per week as an affiliate promoting other people's product, right? There are many niches. Travel industry, weight loss industry is huge, diabetes, high blood sugar, right? Nutra. There are other great niches, but I'm telling you, right, you get the sense. Solar, financial, car insurance, life insurance. So you have many different niches that you can go into and make huge amounts of money. But of course, you need to begin somewhere. You need to take action and put pedal to the metal. So as you're watching this video right now, you can subscribe to my channel. And what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. So basically, all the links are below in the description below. You can subscribe to my channel, like this video, right? And connect with me personally, one-on-one. You can also email me, send me a WhatsApp message or call. But you really have to be serious. You need to have some money on the side and a little bit of time. Let's say 3 hours per week. If you can get it to 3 to 4 hours per week, great. Because then you can get to this $10,000 a month, right? If you dedicate 30 minutes a day to 1 hour per day, if you can, right? To do this correctly, then you can actually scale this very fast compared to other people who are not taking any action because they're too afraid to take a little bit of risk to get the results that they desire, right? So, as I said before, connect with me over here. You can follow me on my Instagram, DM me there as well, or on Facebook, whatever suits you best. So again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel now.